brain. Odd. Very odd. Ah, and who do we have here?
Oh, this is Snore.
Hello, old-timer. How are we feeling today?
Old-timer, well, I'm feeling just fine. How about you?
Snore has forgotten how to bark.
Forgotten how to bark? Why, hasn't anyone tried the new wagon spankin' woof woof therapy on him?
Wang and Spang and Woof Woof therapy?
Uh-huh.
I don't know. I've never heard of it.
Haven't heard of it? Oh, really? What kind of a nurse are you?
I'm a very good one.
Oh, really? Well, you don't know about the wangin' spankin' woof woof therapy. And another thing, there is the most disgusting smell coming from this patient's feet. Ooh-wee.
What are you saying about my feet? Do they smell, Bob?
Little Snorer, I hear anyone for cocoa? There's nothing like a hot cup of cocoa.
Cocoa? You mean cocoa with cocoa beans and milk? Oh, Nurse Penny, haven't you heard about the latest research on fuzzy munchkin disorder?
Fuzzy munchkin disorder?
Yes. According to a recent report in the Scalpel, you get fuzzy munchkin disorder from drinking cocoa on the last Friday of the month.
Well,